So we're just going to clean the throttle body a tiny bit. I've already done throttle body service on this multiple times, and I just installed the intake manifold just now. So now I'm just going to clean the throttle body a tiny bit. So I'm using CRC throttle body cleaner. Spray some in here. You don't want to spray too much, but just liberally around. And use like a rag or a shop towel. And clean the inside of the bore and the surfaces. You might not see too much because I've already cleaned this not too long ago. I'm just doing a quick wipe here. Now, if you want, for really hard to reach areas and hard to clean areas, you can use an old toothbrush like this, spray it down, and you can use a toothbrush. Just make sure that the bristles are soft so it won't damage anything. So use a toothbrush and just go inside and clean like this using the toothbrush. Clean all the corners. Try to clean as much as you can and the best you can. You don't want to spray too much of the throttle body cleaner because it's going to flood the engine. And in worst case scenarios, you may have to disable the fuel system and try to crank it over to get all the cleaner out so that it doesn't flood the engine up. Now, on some vehicles, you may need to do a relearn procedure either with the scan tool or following the procedure that's available on service information. But on some vehicles, like this one, there's no need to do a relearn for the throttle body. Just driving it normally will relearn the throttle position by itself. So when you start this vehicle, it's gonna be flooded a little bit with throttle body cleaner. So it might take a while to start. You might have to rev the engine a little bit. In order to keep it running.